Okay, we are down here.
Start recording.
I am recording. We're finally down here. We made it. We have an empty field to do it.
Okay.
So he's gonna get it started up right now.
Wow.
Isn't that so satisfying whenever you finally get it in?
Yeah.
That's not a dirty joke.
I'm not going to play. Let's step back because I'm about to do this, by the way. One.
Okay, wait. I gotta get this in. Just stick it in.
I had to.
Oh my God, you finally done it. Please, finally done it.
Did you get it? Is it hard?
Yeah.
Bus.
Is it on?
Yes. Wait, he gotta get the last part in.
Come on. That's taking me a million years to get that in. It's taking me a million years. What's going on?
Nothing.
That part should be so easy. That part should be so easy. Oh my God, that part should be so easy.
You can't get it?
Okay, here.
You get it?
Give me the remote.
Okay, we're gonna get it started. Give.
Let me
No, we're gonna try it
I
first.
don't even know how to do this, Jared. Just wait.
Okay.
Here. Okay, here.
Come on.
Okay.
Let me control.
Jared, don't.
Let me.
You're gonna step on it. You're gonna get angry.
Let me. I can't have no fun.
You can in a second.
No. I will snap that off.
This is test number 2.
Let me do it.
Jared, wait a minute. I don't even know what I'm doing, okay?
I'll kick that fucking thing out of your hand. I'll kick that fucking thing out of your hand. Let me.
Broke.
Huh? It's broke. Okay, that sounds about right. This is test number 3. What's wrong with it?
Wait, let me throw, then you control. Wait, get it.
Here. Throw it, Derek. Wait till I. Here.
Almost. I didn't throw it hard enough. Hold on. I'll throw it again.
Okay, yeah, throw it.
Hold this. Actually, I got it.
Hold the propeller out a little bit.
This?
Just keeps taking a dive.
Come on.
Okay. Here.
I got this arm stronger.
Oh, stay up in the air.
Okay, can I have a try now?
No, Jared, I can't get it. I can't even get it to go.
We can't even get it to work.
Throw it high up. Wait,
Hold the propeller. It keeps anyway.
wait, let me throw, then you control. Okay, let me throw.
Okay, throw. Throw it straight.
I just threw it and that was it. Oh, that was it. Not working.
I don't know,
Not
it won't fly.
Yeah, we can't have no fun.
Don't blame it on us.
No, I'm not blaming
Oh.
you.
Blame it on the goddamn airplane.
Wait. I want to see.
Here, maybe should I'll try to throw it as high as I can, right? Should I try to throw it up?
Yeah.
Blow it up.
Almost.
Here, do what you want now. I can't get it.
Come on, Dada, throw it. Throw it. Throw it high.
We can't, Jared. It's not working.
Dump it.
I know.
No, don't.
I was picking it up. What's wrong with you? I was picking it up.
Hold this.
Wait.
You throw it. I'll do this. This is forward.
It shut off.
No, it did not. It did not shut off.
It's
Just
still
press
recording.
this button on the side to get the screen to turn back on.
Okay, get the.
Don't press it again.
Wait, I
Turn.
won't. I won't.
Can't get it.
Wait, let me do this. Let me do this. It said the
You gotta pull the propeller out a little bit, or it won't go.
pull it out.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, Jared.
Throw with your strong arm. Was that your strong arm?
Let me do it. Let me do both. Okay. Let's do it, guys. Oh,
I want you to break that.
shut up!
It's already done.
Okay.
You have to put the propeller on.
Okay. What? You're in my way.
He's trying to fix it for you.
Wait a minute. Hell, the guy screamed. I was trying to control.
Push the propeller.
Push what? What? Stop! I'll kick you in your ass.
Do it.
You guys, you're too bad.
What do you mean, you two guys? I'm not doing anything.
I'm not even doing anything.
You're doing something, Jared. You're kicking his ass. I'm not doing the work. I think. We going home?
No!